too short. It's in that guy's hands. Well, guys, let's take it somewhere else. Adios.
Oh, it moves. What the heck?
Wanna play tag? You're in. Wanna play? Why? Please. You'll be part of my video. You'll be part of my video. I'm following you. You're in. I'm pretty sure you're stuck in my video. You're stuck in my video. I'm gonna post it on my YouTube channel.
They don't last long.
Well, guess we gotta make it go after. Three, two, one. It's locked and loaded. And three, and two, and one, and watch out, buddy. And hey, hang on. And all the way over there. Got him. He's over there. Right there. Hey. He's right there. I'm dead. Right there. Right there, he's coming. Hey, Dallas, come get me. Dallas, come get me. Come get me. Come get me, Dallas. Come get me. Dallas, come get me. Hey, come get me. reloading. Back reloading. He's so freaking close. It's a normal zoom. That's how close he is. Right there. He's right there. He's actually right there.
That's why I came over here.
What? Oh, cookies. Mommy's in the other place. Okay. You're done. I'll go. I did it.
I know. Oh, yeah, I know. I'm just making sure. Hold on, I gotta support you, mommy, okay? You want your toy? Okay, come here. No, we gotta go this way. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come on.
Be right back. Okay, guys, we're back.
They need
to play date.
Yeah, come here. I want to show you boys something. Come here. Look at.
They used to go to daycare together. Well, they'll do it again. They used to always run around together at daycare.
Can I have lights? Thank you.
Oh, I don't think you have pockets. You just hold yours.
Guys, look. This is gonna be in a lot of my videos, guys. Just telling you, bro. It's gonna be a lot of my fucking video, bro. A rainbow. It's flashing, bro. How the fuck can I turn it off? It's right up to my eye, guys. Looks like my hand is rainbow. That's why I see it from the camera. To me, it looks like it's rainbow.
Kaden, no, not in your mouth. Monkey see, monkey do. He just tried sticking it in his nose. Don't do that, please. No. No! He's copying you. No, please. That's an ER trip.
Earbuds. Because I have a not earbud. God, it's insane over here. Just going around with my little cousin. Dallas, say hi.
No, hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say subscribe.
Hi.
Say like and subscribe.
Hi.
You're hurting, guys. Kind of.
Homie. Okay, homie.
With what?
Come on.
Ear. Okay. Would you? You can't go in your ear. No, no. No, no. Because no. It's a no.
Hi.
It's just a no.
No.
It is a no. Guys, I'm about to jump on the couch. And okay, guys, I'm about to do something that I might regret. But for you guys, better like and subscribe for this. 3, 2, 1. Guys, you guys have everything. Gonna help this lady. Okay, whatever. It's gonna feel pretty nice. When this button turns red, that means they're here. Watch out, buddy. Watch out. So I'm gonna make sure you guys see it when it turns red. Okay, here.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. I brought them out, guys. You want to see them?
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you what I could do on a wheelchair. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I could do some pretty cool stuff on it. So, what the frick do I put some?
Where's Dallas? He was calling you. You ready?
Okay. And guys, I'm gonna go to Geyser, Iowa, USA's fireworks. So, I'll let you see that. See it? Pretty fun stuff. Anyways, I'm going in. And let me show you. For the record, I did need a wheelchair a lot in my life. When I was a baby, right when I was born, last year.
Your nephew is having a Spider-Man birthday party this year.
Wait a minute. You're Dallas's uncle?
Well,
Somewhat.
pseudo.
You know how your mom and I are super, super close?
Here. Oh
And
yeah.
that your aunt?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so his wife is my cousin, and I've been like a sister to her for years. So that's how. It's complicated. Whoop! Don't fall.
Oh. You little
That makes sense now?
snitch.
I'm not a snitch.
You little itch.
Don't talk like that.
I said itch. I said itch. I need another freaking drink, bro.
Give me some hugs. Poppy some sausage.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be getting ready to go to Geyser. And I can check my battery. I can run. My little friend is following me. Yeah.
No.
I'm gonna give you a hug. I wasn't trying to, I was walking it. Whew. Love you, bye. See you in the morning.
I don't know where any of them went. Why are we running?
Kiko was trying to kill me. Kiko was trying to kill me.
Amelia.
Kiko, you're trying to kill me.
Yes, this is
Guys. I'm gonna throw up, guys. No, I'm fine.
You were grabbing something.
You may have one more. One. And don't tell me. No, don't tell him that. One. Oh, he got the other, the piece that fell apart. Like the wall.
When we
So
get
I had to read.
I cannot take it.
Hold on to it, Emmy. Okay, let's go to the front.
Why?
That's not the car.
Yeah.
You realize they're all there today, right? Walk. Dallas, you're gonna fall.
Her right there.
Dallas, hands. Carol. They're like a stepping stone. Get in the skating. I'm just gonna make all three of you walk home.
Can't make me, you want me?
Your mom was gonna make you.
She wouldn't do that.
No, I'm just a mess. All right, Dallas, up.
Get up.
Dallas, here.
And up.
Okay, buddy, let me help
Get your seat.
you.
I was holding his butthole.
Okay,
I was looking it up.
Cleo.
Okay. Children.
What?
Here are options.
Okay.
Option 1. We go to the house and everybody lays down and takes a nap, which we all know y'all ain't gonna take naps. Option 2.
What keeps our sanity?
Let me finish my options. Option 2. We go sit on the highway until fireworks start. Or option 3, we go up to Casey's, get slushies. We still gotta stop at the house. But go to Casey's, get slushies, and then we go to Dizer, and you guys can play at the park until fireworks.
I vote option 3 because
How-
of the
Pie.
How about there's another option where we do fireworks at home?
Well, that's at the end of the night.
That's at the end. That's already no option given.
Oh, so can we play at our school at the Dizer Union School Park?
Well, it'll be the park in Dizer.
Can you help me bucket
sure.
Dallas?
Dallas, buckle your arms.
The one at the Dizer School?
No, we won't go to the elementary.
Here.
It'll be the park where all the other stuff's at.
Dallas, scoot your butt back.
I don't know where that is.
I do. It's City Park.
But everyone needs to try. Well, get in your seat buckle. Everyone needs to try and go potty before we go. So
Okay.
we'll go to the house. I'll
Almost
get
everybody.
snacks and stuff in the bag.
It smells like someone S-worded their pants.
It kind of does. Who did?
Not me.
Dallas, you poopy?
Not me.
Not me.
Are you lying?
No mine.
Did you poop?
No mine.
Did you poop?
No poop.
Are you full
I
of shit?
smell it from him.
Yes. Okay. You pooped.
I smell it from him.
I got him to answer.
And he said no.
No, I said, "Are you full of shit?" And he shook his head yes.
And then he said no.
Because I said you're poopy.
Well, if you shake your head, yes.
Are you full of shit, poopy?
No.
Do you
Oh
feel
my
poopy?
God, I can't handle my life.
He said he feels poopy.
Drainer being in bed's never stopped him before to come in.
And she just don't
Did
want
you-
to
are you
hang out with
poopy?
us, I bet
No.
you.
Are you sure?
No.
Because does that not seem like the shit you and I were
So-
saying to each other because of ours?
Poopy?
How did you?
That's what I'm starting
Stop.
to see.
Do you think you're poopy? Are you sure?
Because I smell it from
I
you.
even told him I'd
If
pick
you're
him
not
up.
sure, then you don't know
Stop.
if you're not poopy.
Yep, it's
Bottom,
him.
bottom,
It's
Jimmy.
him. I smelled it. It smelled
I'm
like.
about to be naughty
No.
and just have the kids all call Tanner and tell me
Smelled
this
just like poop.
Yup, it was that way.
He smelled just like poop.
His
I smelled
pants.
him.
Alright, we get it.
Whole body.
You guys will get his shit itself. I can't do anything about it right now.
Gotta get to the house first.
He's only 3.
4.
Say hi to Dallas in the comments.
Now do you see why I wanted to do what we did?
Guys, say
Hey,
hi.
do not post Dallas online, please.
Okay, I'll cut him out.
Just delete the video. Because
No.
we didn't ask anybody that you had a recording if it was okay.
I'm not posting it yet. I'll ask you if I can post it after you review it.
But anytime Dallas is not allowed online unless your mom or I okay it because of his dad.
Okay.
Don't worry, I will clip him out.
Get out. Get out.
Dude,
Oh.
that was fun. Can we do
I
that?
will clip him
Wanna
out.
run over the rainbow?
Oh crap. Guys, say hi Dallas in the comments. Say hi to Dallas in any way you want. Say hi to Dallas. Say hi Dallas. Hello Dallas. Hola Dallas. Bonjour Dallas. Anything that includes saying hi to Dallas. Just, you could even say compliments to Dallas, but if I see any haters, I will delete them. I will delete their comment.
Second time she's trying to close the door.
And I will report them
I know, but the other
for being rude,
she tried
for
to shut the
disrespecting.
bathroom knowing he was going in there.
Bro, I hate haters. I hate haters. I'm not saying I hate myself, so don't even try saying that.
That door's heavy too for littles. Emmy! Amelia! Amelia, just leave it alone. Come on. Just leave it alone. We'll get it tomorrow. Go on, try to go potty.
Let me get my phone. it's right against your shirt.
Emmy, let's go.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So, holy, well, I'm gonna pause it. Guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Be right back. Hey guys, we're on. Guys, we are officially out of the bathroom.
Mom, say hi.
Hey, no filming. He's out there with his weenie now.
I'm not filming him. I'm not filming him. He's fine.
Ooh, nice and warm, huh?
And guys, I will clip out any images of Dallas, but you still got to spam hi Dallas or something in the comments. Compliment him. Say hi. Anything, bro. And this time I will try my best to make sure that comments are enabled. This is insane.
Drop it like that. Drop it like that. Pimp's in the grave. Oh, drop it like that. Are you a pimp? Say P-I-M-P. P-I-M-P.
Okay, he's not gonna be recorded still. I'm not letting him be recorded. I'm covering the camera. If you want,
You made a really stinky booty hole.
if you need proof, you can look at my camera.
Man, I just asked you not to do it. All I said.
Yeah, I'm not recording him. What?
Oh, I need to get.
Da 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 da.
Oh, you're eating a burger.
Da 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 da.
Oh, mommy, oh.
What exactly? What do you need help with? Not down.
I'm going in there. I'm cleaning. And eating. And putting macaroni.
Guys, this might be a over an hour long video. It might be over an hour long, guys, because it's 31 minutes right now. Going to 32. It's actually been pretty long. Longest video yet, guys. Not gonna lie. Woo! Wanna watch me and my cousin wrestle? I'm cutting him out.
Okay, guys, this might be a very long video, but you'll watch.
Dally, come here.
I have a cooler bag in my
Okay,
car.
I'm gonna go in bed.
Dallas!
I'll go get it.
Dallas! Amy, stop. Come on, Amy, stop. You're not part of it. Yo, boy. Come at me.
Come at me, bro.
Come at me, bro. Got lift it up. Lift it to the sky. Amy, don't mess with my phone. Give it. Let me get the remote for it. And then you guys could watch us. No, it's my car. Give it. Give it. Amelia?
It's not working anyway.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, guys. Let's turn this thing on. And you guys will see the back of the truck vision of the truck. You'll see from the back. Or you could see from the window. How about the front? You guys want to see from the front?
Yeah, I think I do.
Okay, now. Ooh, just taking a while to adjust.
Why not lighting up? Ada.
Hope you
That
guys love this vision.
What?
Now give me the remote.
Light it up?
I need dog.
Oh.
How about
Oh.
now?
Where the fuck is
I
the...
made my time.
Got it. Give me the remote. You guys want to see the vision from the truck? Then you'll see the vision from the truck. You asked for it. Hey, hey, hey.
Go, Kaden, go.
And whoa. Okay, guys. Let's adjust it so the phone is in a perfect spot that where it won't